Today, the voters of Delhi have dethroned Aam Aadmi Party. Arvind Kejriwal, who became a giant slayer after defeating Sheila Dikshit a decade ago, now stands defeated. How did it come to this? Arvind Kejriwal entered politics riding on a wave of promises after campaigning against UPA. His party was supposed to be an alternative to the traditional political party system that he labelled as corrupt. He had the backstory of a Bollywood hero, an IIT Kharagpur graduate who left an Indian Revenue Services job on a mission to fight corruption. A simple man equipped with a broom to cleanse the system. He promised free electricity, free water, better education and more jobs. In 2013, when Delhi went to polls, it became evident that this hope was everything that people of Delhi needed. But Kejriwal resigned within 49 days, accusing Congress of colluding with the opposition to block the Jan Lokpal bill. The bill was the backbone of Kejriwal's India Against Corruption movement. For the next 1 year, the national capital was under president's rule. In 2015, Delhi once again made its choice. Kejriwal led AAP to win 67 of the 70 seats in Delhi Assembly elections. BJP was left with only 3 seats and Congress with none. As the Aam Aadmi Party tried to deliver on its promises, the Aam Aadmi suffered. Middle-class households generated electricity bills well over the free limit of 300 units. They also paid a higher price for water. Still, they decided to give yet another chance to the muffler man in 2020. AAP won in 62 of the 70 constituencies of Delhi. The party dominated the polls but lagged behind in keeping promises. Even though smog continued to rise in Delhi, people could see through it. The situation got worse in 2022 when the explosive Delhi excise case came to light. The party, which was supposed to fight corruption, was alleged to be knee-deep into it. There came a point when half of the Delhi ministry was in jail. Arvind Kejriwal joined his deputy Manish Sisodia in Tihar jail. Both were eventually granted bail. After his release, Kejriwal stepped down as the Chief Minister of Delhi, urging the people of Delhi to elect him again and purge him of the corruption allegations. You know what happened next. Atishi replaced Kejriwal in the CM office. In the run-up to the election this year, BJP launched the Sheesh Mahal attack on Kejriwal, referring to the renovation of CM residence during his term. As for the condition of Yamuna, AAP tried to pin the blame on Haryana government for poisoning the waters downstream. After a series of what appears to be desperate political moves, the verdict has come. BJP has made a comeback, and AAP seems to have lost Aam Aadmi's faith. This is Arzu Tawar for NDTV.